Quick, easy, low carb and sugar free. Today I'm fixing coconut cake. Today, we're fixing coconut cake. It's a quick and easy, mildly sweet pound cake recipe, featuring coconut, of course. I normally fix this in a loaf pan, but today I thought I would use a tart pan and see what happens. For this recipe, I will start with the dry ingredients. Add 3/4 cup of coconut flour, 1/2 cup desiccated or shredded coconut, 1/2 cup erythritol, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, blend 3 beaten eggs, 1 cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a teaspoon of coconut extract, and optionally a teaspoon of lemon and/or orange extract, or other tropical extract of your choice. Then fold in the dry ingredients. Once they are incorporated, add in 1/4 cup of heavy cream. The batter will become quite thick as the coconut flour will absorb all the liquid. Dump it into the pan of your choice and spread it evenly. I will also top it with a little bit more coconut. Then I'll bake it in a 350-degree oven until it's brown on top and a toothpick comes out clean. The time will vary with the shape of the pan. It took about 20 minutes in this tart pan, but it might take up to about 45 or even 50 minutes in a loaf pan. This was a birthday cake for my brother who is also on a low-carb diet, so I can't cut it for you and show it to you. But if you like my videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment and tell me what you think. What else might you like to watch? Or what might you not like to watch? Thanks for watching. Y'all come back now, you hear?